Hi, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to join two or more words in MS Office Excel. You can do this by two ways. First, by using a concatenate function, and the second way is by using an ampersand. So here in this example I have bunch of first names, I have bunch of last names. I need their full name. So I'm going to use the first way, that is concatenate. So concatenate. So once you enter the formula and then automatically when it appears in highlighted blue, okay, you just have to press the tab key on your keyboard and automatically the formula will start itself. Okay, there you go. And this is my syntax of concatenate function. The first argument is text1. So my first argument out here is the first name, okay, comma, and then my second argument is text2, and here it is my last name. Okay, there's no third argument out here, so I'm going to close it and then enter. So let me just drag it down. I'm holding this small square box right bottom of the cell. I'm just dragging it down. Okay, there you go. I have all the first names, but there's no space between the first and the last name, so let's just create a space. So basically I want to add another column. Okay, so I'll just create some space. So I'm just pressing space bar on my keyboard, and then I'm going to change my formula. My second argument is this, okay, and my third argument will be the last name now, because the second argument is space now. Okay, it is a space. So I have only three arguments. I'm going to close the parentheses. Okay, then enter. So there you see we got a space out here. So I'm going to drag the space all the way to the down and then drag the formula that we created here, and there you go. All my full names have space in them. Okay, so this is one way of doing it by using a concatenate function. Let's just see the other way by using an ampersand. So the same example out here, the bunch of first names and the last names, same like the earlier one. Okay, now we want the full name, so we're gonna use equal to sign and then the first name, select the first name, that is G7. I'm using an ampersand in between them. I'm going to select the last name and enter, and then let me just drag it down. Okay, so there you go. I have all the first names, full names. Again, there's no space out here, so there's no need to put an extra column as like concatenate function. You can just go ahead and put double apostrophe sign with some space in it. I'm going to create some space in it. I've just created some space in it, and then again use an ampersand. Okay, so I've selected the first name G7 and I've joined ampersand with some space, and again the space I have joined with an ampersand to the last name. So basically this ampersand function is used to join two or more words. I'm going to press enter and then let me just drag it down, and there you go. I have space. Okay, instead of space you can have something else as well, like if I want a hyphen. Okay, I can do that as well, hyphen. Okay, and same way here also I can use, other than the space I use an hyphen and then drag it down. So you can add any symbols. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. If you like, do subscribe for more videos and updates.